Hi guys, this is Action Finn here today, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a pretty common problem in PowerPoint, whether you have an outdated version of PowerPoint or the media files are just corrupt. And what happens is, when you're in PowerPoint and you try to open a PowerPoint, it doesn't really happen online, but if you've already downloaded the PowerPoint from the internet, I'm just going to be using one that I got from my school for online learning. It's pretty bad situation at the moment with me. There's a lockdown in my country, and at the moment we've had to revert back to online learning again. And oh god, it's like the nightmare happening all over again. So yeah, this actually might be a more popular video now because more people will be having errors with PowerPoint. So what happens is, when you open the PowerPoint and you try to play a video in it, it will say media unavailable. And this can also happen with audio files in PowerPoints as well if you get this error. So now to the solution. So what you're going to want to do is go to the description and download the program that I gave a link for called PZip. Now, once you've installed it, click X, go out of the PowerPoint that you're in, and make sure that the PowerPoint is easy to access, like on your desktop or in your documents folder. So then what you're going to want to do is right-click the PowerPoint, and then it's going to come up after you've installed PZip with the little PZip part here on the drop-down menu, and then you're going to want to go into the other drop-down menu related to PZip, and you're going to want to click Open as an Archive. This is also known to work with 7-zip, but PZip has a nicer user interface, so I'm just going to be using that for this video. So, once you've opened up the PowerPoint, you have these raw files and folders of the PowerPoint, just containing all of the data from the PowerPoint. And what you're going to want to do is double-click the folder named PPT. Then you'll come into this kind of folder here, and you'll find a folder called Media if it contains any photos, any videos, or any audio files. And what you're going to want to do is drag the media folder onto your desktop or wherever you want it to be. Then when it finishes copying, it usually is quite fast if your PowerPoint isn't really huge. And what you're going to want to do is just open the media folder, and there you go. That's all of the files from the PowerPoint that I had. And if it's an online link, then it means that it won't be contained here. But if you are actually getting this error and you know that it's contained in there, then this is where the video files are going to be. It can actually be caused by just having a slightly outdated PowerPoint version, or even just the video files being corrupted themselves. So you're just going to want to launch every video file until you find the one that you want, or you can just go by looking at the thumbnails. So yeah, I try to keep my tutorials as short as possible, not really make them long, straight to the point as possible. So yeah, this tutorial went by very quickly. But yeah, if you like this video, if it actually fixed some of your problems you were having in PowerPoint, be sure to like this video just to support me. And if you want to see more content like this, and if you want to stay up to date with my new videos, then hit that subscribe button as well. Okay then, YouTube, I'll see you next time.